Is it this one, or in the middle? Would be both. We're looking for the intersection, right? We're looking for having life insurance and medical insurance. That's what we're looking for. What's the probability for both? Now, they tell us the union. They tell us so when we say union, you guys, if you did not get this last time, can I show you with the smartboard pen this time? Will that help you maybe? No? I think it will. Watch. You seeing this? It's going to be amazing this time because I'm using the... No, I need a bigger pen than that. That's okay. Yeah, we are. Okay, so the union is not event A. You guys seeing this? Look up here. The union is not event A, and it's not just event B. It's the whole shaboozy, right? And when I say the whole shaboozy, I mean the whole. I mean this. Yeah. Whoa. I mean both events together as one huge thing. Okay. So let me break this up a little bit more for you. Watch. This is the union of both events, and they give us that answer. What is it? Yeah, so this whole thing is 96.4%. That's called the union. And then this little event, having medical insurance, is 90%. This one over here is 64%. So we'll do 64%. You like the colors there, you guys? You like the colors? You like the colors? Thanks. So basically the formula, because if you guys didn't remember from last time, you're going to add one plus the other. And what does that do with the intersection? Close. It overlaps it how many times? It's blue. Then it's... Do you see that little section? I feel like some of you still quite don't see it. Can I show it to you again? So yellow, blue. Do you see it? It overlaps it twice. So you have to do event 1, right? You have to do event 1 plus event 2. It was like a climactic, right? It was like, whoa, this is going to be so cool. And then the pen didn't work. And then the pen didn't work. Minus the intersection of A and B happening. Or in other words, both. I guess that was a really weird sound. Like I was on the toilet or something. I wasn't. I was behind the screen watching this video. I was in the classroom next to the board. Was not making weird sounds. Everybody's laughing at me now. Okay, so probability event A plus the probability event B minus off the intersection. I wish I had a video camera right now. You guys would all be laughing at this video. Okay, so we want to solve for both. Kenzie's like, this is funny. I'm laughing inside. Oh, good. No, good. Okay, so opting for both of these benefits, right, you guys? Opting for both. So there's 2 ways to solve this type of problem, right, Palka? There's 2 ways to solve it. What's one of the ways? I'll give you an extra credit point if you can remember. Sure. So there are 2 ways to solve this problem. So what percent of employees offer both of these benefits? Medical insurance and life insurance. And so there's 2 ways to do it. Can you think of one way to solve this? Good, Kenzie. Good, left side of the equation. Nice, minus x, or if you want to call it both, you can, because that's what it wants us to solve for. You guys see that? You see it, Adria? So Mackenzie helped us set it up to solve for both now, because they gave us the union part, right? they told us 96.4% opt for at least. And so when you see union, this right here means at least. Right? The A union B means at least. And they tell us it's 96.4%. So now what we can do is just solve for the word both. Solve for both. So we're going to go and add these together. Ready? So 0.90 plus 0.64 is that 1.54? No?
Yep, that's it.
Nice, nice. And then we're going to minus it over to this side, right? We're going to minus it and solve for both. Minus it over to this side. And so, whoa, 96.4%. Something looks wrong here. What can you guys see that's wrong? That looks like a... Good. Move it 2 places. Good. So it should be point extra credit. Was that Adria or Ashley? Adria, extra credit. So we're going to take 0.964, and we're going to go ahead and minus the 0.154. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So then when we do that, what do we get? So 0.964 minus 1.54, and that gives us negative 0.576, negative 0.5, negative 0.576, and that equals what? That equals what? That equals a negative both. Now remember, we're solving for both. Can you have a negative probability of something happening? Yeah, now you're talking about like black holes and space-time continuum and negative chances of things happening. What the crap? So yeah, say it again, Adria. Good, because you're going to divide by a negative, and the negatives cancel out. So our answer, both, is equal to just the 0.576. Nice, nice. And so that answer is 0.576. What's the closest? That's the closest. We are taught not to do that most of the time, but in the ACTs, they do that sometimes, which is evil,
So why would you go
To 58%. Because I was trying to make this problem when I designed it so that it could work this way to solve for union, or it's just asking you to find both. How do we find both, like Adria said? She said medical insurance, 90%. And life insurance, 64%. What does and mean? Close. Not plus, but multiply them together. And that's probably what will give you that one. So we're going to go ahead and take, again, we're going to go ahead and, so another way to solve this, right, you guys? Another way to solve this is to go ahead and do 90% times, because that's the word and, right? This means both. This is another way to do this problem. So 90% and 64%. And so we do that on our calculator. 0.90 times 0.64 gives us 0.576 again, exactly. So I really screwed up. This should be 58%. Because they're both exactly the same, so I didn't screw up. They're exactly right. But this probably should have been 58. Sorry about that. On the test, I fixed that. But close enough. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So you can do this problem really easy just by multiplying their probabilities. Everybody say the insurance problem, just multiply their probabilities. Say with me, 3, 2, 1. The insurance problem, multiply both their probabilities. That'll give you both. Oh, good question. Do you know Alexis Frost? She's at home right now. And she said, can you make a video for me, Newbold? Yeah. Oh, but she sees what we do here.
Can you send us the video?
Yeah, would you like the video too? To refresh yourselves over the weekend. 4-day weekend after tomorrow. Woo! So you guys are probably going to get a reminder email on Monday night to watch these videos for our test on Tuesday, right? Good, good. Okay, beautiful. In fact, I think this video has gone long enough. Whoa! 19 minutes? Oh my goodness, that's so long. Okay, so I'm going to start